Hey, what's up everyone? Before we dive into today's video, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed trying to research stocks, crypto, or ETFs? You've got 10 different tabs open, 3 spreadsheets running, and you still can't figure out if that hot stock tip is actually worth your money? Well, what if I told you there is an AI-powered tool that does all that heavy lifting for you in seconds, and you can get lifetime access for just $69? Stick around because today we are diving deep into Cavout, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Alright, so what exactly is Cavout? Simply put, it's an AI-powered financial research platform that turns real-time market data into actionable insights. Think of it as having your own personal research analyst working 24/7, except it never sleeps, never gets tired, and analyzes millions of data points every second. Whether you're trading stocks, ETFs, crypto, forex, or commodities, Cavout has you covered across over 11,000 different assets. Now let's talk about the brain behind this whole operation, the chi-score. This is Cavout's secret weapon. The chi-score uses deep learning and quantitative models to rank stocks on a scale from 1 to 9. A score of 9 means that stock has a high probability of outperforming the market, while a 1 means you probably want to stay away. What makes this really powerful is that it's scanning thousands of stocks daily, looking at fundamentals like earnings reports and revenue growth. Technical signals like price trends and momentum, market sentiment from news and social media, and even alternative data that most people don't have access to. It's basically taking all the guesswork out of stock picking. But the chi-score is just the beginning. Cavout comes packed with features that'll make your investing life so much easier. First up, you've got Invest, which is like ChatGPT but specifically trained for financial research. You can literally ask it questions in plain English like which tech stocks have the best momentum right now, or show me crypto assets with strong fundamentals, and it'll give you detailed answers backed by real data. No more trying to decode complex financial jargon or spending hours doing manual research. Then there's the Portfolio Toolbox, which is your all-in-one suite for building and managing portfolios. It helps you with AI-driven asset allocation, risk balancing, and portfolio optimization. You can also get real-time alerts on your watchlist stocks, so you'll never miss an important move in the market. The platform also includes technical ratings that give you quick bullish or bearish sentiment summaries, plus detailed breakdowns of every indicator if you want to go deeper. And here's the kicker. All of this data is continuously updated in real time, so you're always working with the freshest information. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but it's probably crazy expensive, right? Wrong. This is where the AppSumo lifetime deal comes in and absolutely blows everything out of the water. Normally, tools like this charge monthly or yearly subscriptions that can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. But right now on AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access to Cavout for just $69. That's a one-time payment, lifetime access, no monthly fees, no hidden costs, nothing. You pay once and you're set for life. Plus, it's covered by AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it and don't love it, you can get a full refund. That's basically a risk-free trial for 2 whole months. So who is this perfect for? Honestly, it's great for a ton of different people. If you're a retail investor or day trader looking to make smarter, faster decisions, this is gold. If you're into crypto and need help cutting through all the hype and noise, Cavout's got your back. Solopreneurs and small business owners who want to invest intelligently without spending all day researching will love this. Even if you're a complete beginner who feels intimidated by all the finance jargon, Cavout makes everything simple and accessible. You don't need a finance degree to use this tool. It's designed for real people who just want clear, actionable insights. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons because no tool is perfect, right? On the pro side, the chi-score system is genuinely innovative and makes stock analysis so much simpler. The platform is super user-friendly, even if you're not a tech genius. You get comprehensive tools all in one place. No more juggling multiple subscriptions. The real-time processing means you're getting timely insights, not stale data, and the integration options with Google Gemini and OpenAI make it even more powerful. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that they'd like more transparency about how the AI models actually work behind the scenes. There's also been feedback about wanting better visibility on credit usage before running tasks, which the team is apparently working on. And if you're someone who prefers traditional fundamental analysis over AI-driven insights, this might feel a bit too automated for your taste, but honestly, for most people, these are minor quibbles compared to the value you're getting. Real users are loving this platform. Reviews highlight how the chi-score simplifies complex analysis and saves hours of research time. People appreciate the speed and the comprehensive data integration. The general consensus is that if you are serious about data-driven investing and want to level up your game without paying monthly fees forever, this AppSumo deal is an absolute no-brainer. Before we wrap up, make sure you hit that follow button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm constantly reviewing tools like this that can save you time and money. And here's the deal, if you want a complete tutorial showing you exactly how to set up and use Cavout step by step, drop a comment down below saying tutorial and I'll make that video for you. Your comments really help me know what content you want to see next. Also, don't forget to check the description or the first comment for the link to grab this Cavout lifetime deal on AppSumo. Trust me, these deals don't last forever. Once it's gone, and you'll be kicking yourself for missing out on lifetime access at this price. So bottom line, is Cavout worth it? If you're serious about investing, trading, or just want smarter insights without the overwhelm, absolutely yes. At $69 for lifetime access, this is one of those rare deals where the value far exceeds the price. You're getting AI-powered market analysis, real-time data across 11,000 plus assets, portfolio management tools, and a research assistant that works around the clock, all for the cost of a nice dinner out. Alright, that's it for today's review. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and comment below for that full tutorial. Now go grab that deal before it disappears. See you soon.